In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fun camera effects to Instagram's Instant feature. If you want to make your photos and videos more interesting before sharing them with your friends, these effects are really easy to use. Before we get started, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest available version. Now open the Instagram app on your phone. From the main screen, tap the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you're inside your messages, look for the Instant Camera option and tap on it. This will open the camera where you can take a photo or record a video to share with your selected friends. Now, to find the available camera effects, simply swipe sideways across the camera preview. As you swipe through the options, you'll see different effects that you can use. For example, you may see effects such as fisheye, Kaleidoscope, Pixelate, and Chromatic Aberration. Each effect gives your camera a different look, so you can try them out and choose the one you like the most. If you keep swiping through the effects, you'll eventually return to the normal camera mode. Once you've selected an effect, you can set up your Instant before sending it. You can choose whether you want to share it with all of your friends or only with your close friends. You can also add a caption if you want to include some text with your photo or video. When everything looks good, simply capture your photo or record your video. Your Instant will then be shared with the audience you've selected. So, if you want to add a little more creativity to your Instagram instance, these built-in camera effects are a quick and easy way to do it. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips, tricks, and tutorials.